Everyone, it's Sean, and I'm back for the next video in the Ghostbusters ECTO-1 build. As you see, I've completed the painting of the outside. It's not quite as white as I'd hoped for, but it got 2 coats of white. I'm not going to risk any more. Don't worry, this will be colored by the Ghostbusters emblem. There'll be a tail fin on here, and this side, just say it's Ghostbusters damage or something. Now, one thing I do have to do, I'm going to have to touch up the paint on the chassis in the parts it missed. The interior bucket has been primed, but it's going to have to be painted black. The semi-gloss black, that'll have to stand in for metallic because I don't think I have any left. But what I do have to do here, first hold the camera steady. As you see on the instructions, there are 6 pegs for the mounting brackets for the roof rack. But as you can see here, the pegs have not been pushed all the way through, so I'm having to use a toothpick right now, and it has some toilet paper kind of glued to it by a paintbrush, but that's so I don't scratch the paint on the roof. But you don't have to worry too much because the roof rack's going to cover everything anyway. But this is good, pushing them through. Now I bet they were left fixed in place in case you ever did the ECTO-1A. Well, that's strange. That's not pushing through at all. Look at that. And look! I mean, look at that. You see, it doesn't even show through on the back, and yet it's supposed to be, because there are 6 pegs. Well, let's see if I can push without damaging anything or breaking the toothpick. No. All right. Time to find the little hand drill vise. All right. I've got it here. And I have its, what would you call it? It's, oh, it's accessories. The drill bits. Yes, that's it. There we go. It's kind of amazing the 6 roof rack pegs are not released. Oh, actually, look. 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side. That's 8. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, because the front peg has to go in this. So there are 8 pegs that have to be. Oh my gosh, you're having to drill out all of them. But that's okay. That's what these, this little pin vise has come in handy for a good 5 years now. I bought it along with the clippers at the Comex Hobby store in the West Edmonton Mall. So, there in the center, and then you just drill through, all the way through, pull it out again, get the toothpick, push it all the way through to get everything else out. Hopefully that'll work. Hopefully that'll be enough, because this was my widest drill bit, and there's nothing else I can do to get it all the way through. And you don't want to gouge the paint underneath, even though the roof rack is probably going to be flush to the surface of the car. And this is harder to get through than I thought. There you go, see? That's pretty good. All right. Now, do this one here. Always in the center of the thing so it goes through evenly. There we are. And here we go. Now, I don't know if that's the only drilling through the roof I have to do for a peg that didn't actually exist before. It was supposed to exist, but for some reason it failed to exist. Because if you look, well, there they are, 2 hoses. And they point at that section. Now, those are 2 hose holes right here. Those are the 2 hose holes. Okay. 2 hoses, 2 hose holes. Excellent. Nothing else appears to have to get on there. Okay, good, 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 good. All right, well, I guess that's about all I have to do today for the ECTO-1. Keep the body off the mat where it won't be negatively affected. And once I've done the interior bucket, it'll be time to paint other parts, the parts you can see on the white sprue tree. So that's all for now, and we'll see you here next time. Bye-bye.